Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your maths teacher. I hope you all are fine there. Children, have you done all the problems of first chapter? Is it clear now? Okay, very good. So today, let's discuss exercise questions given at the end of this chapter. That's on page number 11. Okay. So take page number 11 and there you can see under the heading practice. So the first question, divide, in which we have already done the second question. So we can do now the first one, that is 75 divided by 4. Okay, so 75 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. Children, take your notebook and do it with me, okay? So 75 divided by 4. So see how many 4s are there in 7? Yes, only 1 4. So we will put 1 in the quotient part. 1 4s are 4. We will subtract 4 from 7. So what will we get? 3. Then bring down that 5. Then it will become 35. So how many 4s are there in 35? Yes, 8 4s. So we will write 8 in the quotient part and we will subtract 32. 8 4s are 32. And when we subtract 5 minus 2, we will get 3 as the remainder. So what is the quotient, children? Quotient equal to 18 and remainder equal to 3. So that's the answer. Now let's do the third question, that is 605 divided by 6. So let's write it. 605, that is the dividend, and 6 is the divisor. Okay, so when we divide 605, are you writing, children? Yes, then 6 is the divisor. So how many 6 are there in 6? Only 1 6. So 1 6 are 6. When we subtract, we will get 0. Then bring that 0 down. And how many 6 are there in 0? 0 6. So 0 6 are 0. And when we subtract, 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Then bring that 5 down. How many 6 are there in 5? 0 6, isn't it? Yes. So we will put 1 0 in the quotient part. 0 6 are 0. And when we subtract 0 from 5, we will get 5 itself. So what is the quotient, children? It is equal to 100 and remainder equal to 5. Did you get the answer? Yes. So this is the answer. Now let's do the next question. So what is the next question? 550 divided by 5. 550 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So let's do this problem. 550 divided by 5. So see how many 5s are there in 5? Yes, only 1 5. 1 5s are 5. When we subtract, we will get 0. Okay, then bring that 5 down. Then again, how many 5s are there in 5? 1 5. So 1 5s are 5. Again we will subtract. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Then bring that 0 down. Okay. So how many 5s are there in 0? 0 5s. So we will put 0 in quotient part. 0 5s are 0. When we subtract, we will get 0 itself. So what is the quotient, children? Yes, it is equal to 110. And remainder, it is equal to 0. So did you get the answer, children? Yes, very good. Now let's do the next question. So that's a word problem. So let's read the question first. A bus travels the same distance every day and covers 847 kilometers in a week. Okay. So the distance, the total distance covered in a week by a bus is given. So that is equal to 847 kilometers. And what we have to find? Yes, how much distance does it cover every day? That is distance covered in a day. So let's write the steps first. The first step is total distance covered in a week. So that is equal to 847 kilometers. Then we know the number of days in a week. Yes, it is equal to 7. And the last step, distance covered in a day. So how can we find this? Yes, we can divide 847 by 7. Okay, and when we divide it, we will get the answer. So let's divide 847 by 7. Okay, so 847 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. So let's do 847 divided by 7. So how many 7s are in 8, children? Yes, only 1 7. So 1 7s are 7. When we subtract, we will get 1. Okay, then bring that 4 down. So it will become 14. So how many 7s are in 14? 2 7s. 2 7s are 14. And when we subtract, we will get 0. And bring that 7 down. So how many 7s are in this 7? Only 1 7. So 1 7s are 7. And when we subtract, we will get 0 as the remainder. So what is the quotient, children? 121. Okay, and remainder equal to 0. So yes, children, we got the answer, and that is the distance covered in a day, that is equal to 121 kilometer. Is it clear, children? And the next question we have already done in our previous class. Children, complete your notes and study it well. So that's all for today. We will see in our next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.